This video is designed to help you with some instrument passing skills. When we observe people that come to our office and put them down in our chair, we notice that there's a lot of hand movements, and it makes it very difficult for your assistant to know what you really expect. So the key to instrument passing is to have two motions when you pass an instrument. The first motion is a vertical motion of the hand that raises up. And then there's a second motion that actually passes the instrument. This is clear and distinct and very, very easy for your assistant to follow when you want an instrument changed. For example, this is the first motion. It's a motion up. The wrist is barely moving. The elbow doesn't move at all. It's just simply a motion at the wrist that raises the hand ever so slightly. 1, 2. Your assistant knows what that means. It's 1, 2. So there's two separate motions. The first motion is kind of the warning that you're going to be changing your instruments. So 1, 1, just straight up, 2. 2, 2, 2. It seems like the people that come to our office have more trouble with that motion. If you just practice it with your assistant, all you're doing is moving your finger and your thumb. You're not moving your wrist at all. 2, 1, 2. So to review, see if you can see where the mistakes are made and when it's being done right here by counting the motions. This is us actually working on a patient. You can see how efficient that is. There's never any question in the assistant's mind when you want to change the instrument, because you're not moving your hand at all. You're just moving basically your fingers and your wrist. See if you can notice the errors here. See, the assistant is confused. You're moving your whole hand and part of your arm there. The assistant doesn't know whether you're just changing your instrument or want to change something. So to really make this efficient, move only your fingers and a little bit of your wrist. When we were teaching the postgrads, for some reason they have trouble with this, duplicating this motion. So we made this without gloves, just so you can see it in normal speed and then slow speed and then close up as well. Two motions. First motion is up, and then slowly rotate through your thumb and finger without moving the wrist or any other part of your hand. It's really a very simple motion, but for some reason people have trouble with it. But after you practice it 30 or 40 times, it will become second nature to you. Don't forget the initial up motion, and then the transfer of the instrument is just a rotation of the instrument around your index finger and thumb. It's a very simple motion, really.